What is good, everybody? We are going to be making some money today. This was a crazy week so far, and I just really hope that we're just going to get one more win, and this is probably going to be the best week that I've ever had so far. Not gonna lie to you guys. There has been times where I just couldn't be losing, right? So if you didn't know, I've been going on a 30+ winning streak. I haven't lost once within that entire time period. But in terms of just money, and successfully predicting price every single time, this is probably going to be the best week that I've had so far in my entire trading career, and that is going to say something because I've been trading for 6 years at this point. Okay, so what do we want to look out for? Basically, we want to go into the 15-minute time frame as usual. Okay, we want to ask ourselves a very simple question: are we going for the 15-minute high here or the 15-minute low here? Why? Because this is our extreme range in that sense. Okay, of course, the more you're going to zoom out, okay, now this is the extreme high, this is the extreme low, or maybe these ones. No, very recent, very obvious, very easy. Okay, from this point on, I'm just looking at some things. What I can spot is that we have traded into this entire thing here. So this entire FEG has basically supported price. So to keep it simple, I believe that we're going to be trading onto the upside, but not confirmed. Let me go into the daily. Okay, I believe that we're just going to be following up the movement. It's a Friday, so we have to be careful. But all in all, I do believe we could just be trading onto the upside, even though right now it looks that, we're just going to be trading lower and lower. Hopefully I'll be right on this one once again, and I'm telling you, this is going to be the craziest week. Even if this one is going to be a loss for whatever reason, this is still like phenomenal, man. If you haven't seen the previous videos that I've already done, then make sure to check those out as well. It was just, predicting price the entire time over and over again. So right now we are basically retesting that entire 15-minute FEG. Depending on how we're going to be reacting off from it, I could be taking it long because I believe the movement is definitely higher and not lower. Okay, let's get to business. So we've rejected off of the entire thing. What time is it? Okay, we are already past 30. I could actually be taking a trade. It's probably going to be a small one. I'm not going to be rushing it. So what I want to see is basically trading with a body closure above all of this, and then I'm ready. I was about to take a trade, but I just wanted to basically look at it more so. And yeah, okay, I like seeing this entire movement. Let's just see if we're going to be taking it. Again, we need to trade above all of that, and before that hasn't happened, I am not really interested in the entire trade. Okay, this is not enough movement for me. This is just willy-nilly, maybe to the upside, maybe to the downside. I don't like this kind of stuff. We need to show, okay, we are trading onto the upside. That's it. Okay, this can be either one candle and multiple candles that are showing you clear intent, but if it's something like this, then nah, man. So let's just wait it out even more. And by the way, it's also pretty good that we're just hovering around. If we're going to the 15-minute time frame, what can you spot? We are trading into that entire FEG, okay, obviously, but we've also taken out liquidity. So basically, if you're only trading into an FEG, as you have just seen in here, then that is not going to be enough. I mean, arguably, you have also taken out liquidity in here, but this was past, before 8 a.m., okay, so 8:30 to be specific. So all of that doesn't really matter what has happened anyways. But yeah, so this is why it basically matters more now that we have basically traded into that FEG, taken on liquidity, and now we could expect higher prices. And also all of this stuff, like, can't you see it, man? Can you see it? You don't have to draw it out like this. I'm personally also not that much of a big fan drawing it like this. I don't really see it as that, but I see it more so as that. Okay, we have relative highs in here, and there's going to be gaps all over the place. Keep in mind this is the 1 minute time frame, so gaps don't really matter that much. But yeah, yo, I didn't pay attention. I mean, it's okay. I'm going to be waiting out this entire candle anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, if it's going to close like this is probably going to be an opportunity to trade this higher, probably. Let's just see. Okay, it's looking actually quite fine. Okay, let's get this a little bit lower, and then I'm going to be taking a buy. Yo, move. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we've entered the trade. Let's just see how this goes. That's just always the same stuff. Like, there is literally nothing complicated about all of this. Okay, I don't know, so many of you guys, you just keep on stressing about this. I have problems with trading whatsoever. There's nothing complicated about it. You just have to really understand what I am doing at this point. Okay, like obviously I'm live trading. You can already pick up a lot of things, but totally not everything, you know. This also takes time. You know, people are going to be saying, you know, you're gatekeeping this and that. This stuff takes time to, well, it's going to be learned, but also to explain. If I want to explain to you everything, right, this is only going to be working out if I'm one-on-one trading with you live. Okay, this is exactly what I'm doing with my students. I'm not recording every single day. I have recently just created this entire channel, so I might as well also be a little bit active in here. But I am not going to be live trading every single day on this channel. I can already tell you this. Why? First of all, people paid for the mentorship and they should get what they basically paid for, okay? I'm not going to be trading every single day. Well, then everybody who bought the one-on-one mentoring is going to be thinking, okay, why did I buy that? And the second one is going to be, I don't have time to basically explain the stuff every single time. When I'm live trading on my own, do you really want to know what I'm doing? I'm basically going onto the charts, I'm taking a trade, and I'm not talking at all. Because why should I talk when I'm trading on my own? Have you ever basically talked about price action the entire time when you were trading on your own? Probably not. Okay, so this is just extra amount of effort, and I'm not complaining. Like, don't get me wrong, I am basically doing this. I'm also having lots of free content for that matter. But of course, you know, I am not going to be giving out stuff for free if I have worked hours on developing that stuff. So naturally, something should be compensated for that. But don't worry, you know, you don't have to buy the mentorship whatsoever. You're also just going to be fine without it. It is just to fasten the things up. And as usual, I'm just always forgetting to set up the entire position, man. So we're probably going to be aiming for something like this, but we'll see how this goes. This is not going to be the final stop loss, so just keep that in mind. Volume. Dude, literally one fucking minute, dude. This was like less than 1 minute that we were in the entire trade. Like, that's what I'm telling you. It is just so easy, and we're still running, dude. Okay, at this point, I'm probably just going to be closing. This is how we do it. 2 fucking minutes, and I'm out of the trade, man. We have made 2K in 2 minutes. I'm out. I'm done for the week. This was the craziest week that I've ever done, man. Fuck everybody, man. Fuck it, man. Oh my god. I just can't believe it, dude. Just winning and winning and winning and winning. This is the most craziest week that I've ever seen, man. Because I just know this shit. I just know it, how it works. And this is exactly why I'm able to pull out the entire time money out of this fucking game, man. I'm telling you this. Okay, anyways, so let's get back to the ground. There we fucking go, man. Like, I'm just speechless. I mean, I've seen crazy weeks, crazy months, crazy time periods, if you want to, like this. But this one, man, this entire week, this was something else. I'm telling you this. So let's quickly take a screenshot. Yes, put this into here. Okay, there we fucking go. So let me quickly, this is going to be the entry price, this is going to be the stop loss, this is going to be the take profit. Okay, we're taking it around that time. I was, you know, out of all of the days that we have traded this week, this was the best, I would say. Quality setup. This wasn't as good as yesterday's one, but it was also good. So add a trade. Oh my god, dude, like, this is just absolutely insane, dude. Like, just look at this. This is just so much money, man. What am I going to do with all of this? Anyways, guys, this was a fire week. I hope it was the same for you. I hope you could learn anything in this entire video for this entire channel. There's more to come, and see you guys in the next one.